Hello students, we have already started the topic plant tissues and we have also discussed about the one kind of it, that is meristematic tissue, and its different kinds. It has got three different kinds: apical, intercalary and the lateral. In today's class we will discuss about the simple permanent tissues and its types. Simple permanent tissues are of three types: parenchyma, collenchyma and your sclerenchyma. Okay. Now, after seeing this picture, you must be confused. What is that? Okay, I'll let you know. Now, look at this carefully. What is this? This is a carrot and it is a modified root. Okay. Here, see here, the pictures diagrams are of same. Okay, but this one is your transverse section and this one is your longitudinal section. Now, what do you mean by transverse section and longitudinal section? So, let us see. Now, longitudinal section means length. Okay, length. When you cut through the length section like this, okay, along the length, then it is called what? Longitudinal section. Okay, and when you cut like this, okay, across the cross, that is known as a cross section. So here you see, here this is your cross section of the modified root, that is carrot. Okay, and here you see another one. See here, this is the transverse section. This is the, I have cut from here only. Okay, I have cut from here like this lengthwise. So this is the longitudinal section of the modified root, that is your carrot. So same thing here. A sample of a stem is taken and they are cut transverse section and the longitudinal section. Okay, so that is why these are of two different types here. Now the very first one is a parenchyma tissue. Look at the diagram carefully. 1, 2, 3. They are differing from one another in some other way, either in the shape or the presence or absence of the intercellular space or the wall, cell wall, or presence or absence of the nucleus. Okay, so they are different, but they all help the plant for storage, support, etc. Now let us discuss about the parenchyma tissue. Here the cells are living and they are loosely packed. That means intercellular space is present. Intercellular space means the space between the two cells. So one cell, two cells. So here is an empty space. So this is known as an intercellular space. And here we can also see the nucleus is present. Okay, it is a living cell. Cytoplasm is dense here and the cell wall is thin. Cell wall is thin. Here also you can see the cell wall is thin. Intercellular spaces are present. Nucleus is present. Cytoplasm is dense. That is the characteristics of the cells present in the parenchyma tissue. Because tissues are the group of cells that perform the similar function. And we know already that in plant cell, most of its space is occupied by a vacuole. So here you can see the vacuole is present here. Okay, this empty space is your vacuole. Now, what is the main function of parenchyma tissue? It gives support to the plant. Okay, it is also known as storage tissues. Some of the cell of the parenchyma tissues contains chlorophyll. They are known as sclerenchyma. And some of them contains or helps in giving the buoyancy to the plant. That means it helps the plant to float in hydrophytes, that is the aquatic plant. That time the parenchymas are known as parenchyma. So parenchyma can be sclerenchyma and it can also be parenchyma. Now let us see the sclerenchyma. Here you see the walls, okay, because the main features is the wall. The wall is thick at the angular point. See, all the angular point, it is thickly walled. Angular point. Nucleus is present. Walls are thickening. Vacuoles are present. And since nucleus is present, that means the cells are living. And it is mostly found in the stem, petiole. Petiole means the stalk of a leaf, etc. And what are its main function? Its main function is to give the support to the plant. And next you see here sclerenchyma. In sclerenchyma, no nucleus is there. That means they are dead cells. And pit is present here, okay, for the transport of food materials or the minerals. And what is function? Its main function is to give the mechanical support and also helps in conduction of waters and minerals. So these are the different types of simple permanent tissues: parenchyma tissues, sclerenchyma and the collenchyma. So this much for today. You can revise it from your book and please draw the picture and practice it. Thank you.